What is going on, guys? CEO of One. We cleaned a lot of windows on this particular day. These are traditional French style windows. We'll say the frames for the panes are inside the window or outside the window, so you can't easily clean them, especially inside the house. There's 1,175 panes of glass on this house and detached garage, and we're going to be cleaning all of them. It's not going to be easy. We did not get the job to clean the insides, thank God. I think we bid $1,700 to clean inside and out, but they didn't want to spend the $1,000 on the inside windows, which are going to be the hardest part of this job. So we just did the outside with the water-fed pull system and a nice big soapy Dawn scrub brush to clean all the frames and the windows themselves. And then we used the water-fed pull to rinse away the remainder. But don't think for a second that our arms weren't absolutely sore. This is a lot of glass. These do have the E-coating on them, and they are a quality French window, meaning that the frames themselves aren't loose. They don't let stuff drip down from behind the frame onto the glass, which makes it lovely for cleanup. But definitely a lot of work. We charged $700 to clean the outsides of the windows, and like I said, there were 1,100 individual frames of glass between all of the different windows. And we did use the water-fed pull system on the outside, so it wasn't as bad as it could have been if we were squeegeeing each individual window, but still. The water-fed pull basically filters the water down 3 different ways and has zero particulate in the water that's being applied to the windows, which allows it to rinse everything off real well, and then allows it to dry without any watermarks on the windows. And I gotta tell you, my arms hurt just looking at this. That was a brutal one, man. Shoulders all day long on this job, but a lot of fun. Was a good payday. I think we were done by like 11:30 a.m. We started at about 8:30, so about a 3-hour job between 2 guys. One guy was working the brush and the other guy was working the water-fed pull system to rinse away all the soap and kind of finish scrubbing off the windows a little bit. But very, very fun job. The customer was happy to have somebody come out and do it. He was a great guy. He said that he's going to do the inside himself with a Home Depot squeegee. I just don't see it. A lot of these windows are up pretty high, and man, that would be a nightmare job. But more power to him, because we really didn't want to do the inside job. We would have done it for the $1,000 extra, but man, you just moving everything around furniture-wise. A lot of these are higher up on the inside, so you need a step ladder to get to them. And you're going to be up and down the step ladder, maybe 400 times a day in one day? Up and down, move the ladder up and down. Individual pulls with probably a 4-inch squeegee. No bueno. But definitely a fun job, guys. I'm CEO of One. Please leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Peace.